Trying to get perfect repeatable motion can be a headache. A small mistake in positioning can ruin a job and cost you time. The solution is precision motion. That's where stepper motors come in. So, what is a stepper motor? A stepper motor is a DC motor that moves in fixed steps, delivering accuracy without needing a position sensor when properly sized. They can run in open loop mode for simple tasks, or closed loop mode with an encoder for smoother, quieter, and more precise control. Ideal for high accuracy applications. Most industrial stepper motors are bipolar, offering higher torque and efficiency, typically 200 steps per revolution, or 1.8 degrees per step. With micro-stepping, resolution can increase dramatically for ultra-precise positioning. At Automation Direct, we offer a full range of stepper motors that are reliable and easy to install. Choose from various sizes and configurations, including encoder-ready models and planetary gearboxes for even more torque. Get the accuracy you need, the performance you want, and support you can rely on. Stepper motors are the perfect solution for your next automation project. Stop compromising on precision. Visit AutomationDirect.com to find the stepper motor that's right for you.